Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's reading is about who is your soulmate and what is he doing, if is he or she, if they are coming towards you or in your life already, who are they, who they are. There is two piles, number one pile, number two pile. Which pile you are attracted most, choose that pile, and I am going towards my reading number one. Those who choose the pile number one or this golden color Mata Bindiya, your reading is maybe your soulmate is fire sign, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius, maybe Sagittarius, and I think they are coming towards you, or they are already in your life, you know them, and they are making some kind of decision, going to do something. Maybe it's because it's related to you or something. Okay, they think that they are stuck over some matter, some situation, and somebody going to hurt them, or maybe if they are here with you, they're going to hurt you, or if they are coming out of the bad situation. Yes, with this card they are making the decision and maybe coming towards you, and they at previous time they think that they are stuck over something, someone had backstabbed them, but now they are out of that condition and they are coming towards you. Okay, with this situation they are not so better, no, not feeling better, not in their own energy. Maybe they are Aries, yes, two fire energies, Aries, two fire cards there, and they are not feeling well now at this situation. Maybe they are they have no money, they have no children or something, they are not happy with this. Okay, they want to win something, and or to want to win in any condition, in any situation. Yes, they want something and that thing is not in their life, or they are not winning it, and that why they are so disheartened at this time. They are losing their coil, they are losing the fight. Maybe they are losing it, or they are finishing it, leaving it. They are leaving this fight because of someone they love. They love someone, and that the person said to say to them that leave that call, that leave that fight, or maybe they leave this fight because of them. They are fighting about something and they leave that because of them, or maybe this person is you, because they are your soulmate, and it could be possible that they are doing this all things because of you, for you, and now they are once again in the emperor mood. They are once again fulfilled, they are once again in their own nature. They are mature now, they are very in power, they are powerful now. Yes, they had power to stop that fire, okay, blow out that fire. Yes, now they are in their own in power, in their own power. They are healed over here. Okay, they have lots of burden about something. I am going to clarify about what. They had the stress, the tension about some situation that maybe someone had left them with that and this is the previous energy, old energy, not now. Someone had left them with this Five of Pentacles and Eight of Cups. Someone, or they had give their hurt to someone with this Knight of cups, and they had refused their offer, or maybe they had refused somebody's offer, maybe it's you, and they are burdened, they are stressing over that, thinking that you are not going to forgive them, or they yes, I'm thinking that they're thinking that they are stressful about that situation, that they had left you, you had offered your love, your heart to them, and they are neglecting it, and now you are, if you are going to forgive them or not. Yes. And with this release card, something is going to end over here, and something new is going to happen, or start now. Why is this release card is over here? Because they are not happy with the decision and that blockage, and they are going to end that blockage, they are going to finish that blockage, broke that blockage, okay, and they are going to make some decision, a sudden event that needs immediate attention. Time is of the essence. Think things through carefully. They have to make some kind of decision very soon, very fast, and they have to think carefully about this situation, okay. What about this Knight of, maybe they are going to leave this Queen of Wands person, or they are not going to take step forward, and they are losing their stubbornness, their stillness, they are moving towards something. They are going to decide some, going to make some decision. You have come into your own new partnership or contacts, continue to move forward. Yes, continue to move forward. They have to move forward. They are going to make some decision, or maybe some new partnership or contacts, and maybe they are going to contact with you, or going to make new partnership with you, okay. Ace of Earth, the inflow of abundance, of promising business venture, important documents or contracts, okay. Once again, documents or contracts, maybe they are going to start some new business with you, or maybe they are going to start a new life with you, something over here. Ace of Water, yes, something with love, falling in love, or the resurgence of a relationship, spiritual growth, and enhanced intuition, a new home. Yes, they are, maybe they are going to make a home with you, they want that, they are coming towards you, okay. And the unity is upside down. Sometimes this unity is, because this is the card of Hierophant, and the Hierophant is a teacher, is a professor, a knowledgeable man, person, and he is restricting someone, teaching someone, and this is upside down. If this is for your restrictions, they are breaking their restrictions, they are breaking their bond over their yes, they are breaking that bondage, that bound, that restrictions over here. That's there. Once again, they are breaking that restrictions. Once again, Two of Air is about the blockage, is about not going to make a decision, but they are now going to make a decision. They are now very wise, they are very authoritative, they have their energy, and they are going to make some decision and breaking that blockage that had blocked them, okay. Acha, retreat. It's time to disconnect from the world, but this card is upside down. This is not good. If this is upside, this is the good card, but this is not good now. I think they are moving towards someone else, they are not coming towards you. First they want to come towards you, but something happened in this situation, and they are changing their mind towards you. This situation is very innocent, very childlike, very pure, mildew fairy, and cleaning up time. They are going to clean up that all that is not going to serve them, is not good for them, that is bad for them. They are going to clean up that all things, okay, with the sparrow. Okay. They want to begin something new in this situation with you or with someone else, but they are backstabbed or betrayed or decided by someone else, and now they are not able to make some decision, or maybe they are going to do this to you. They had something in their mind and they are going to do something to you, and at this time they are thinking about that thing. They are very sad, they are in a rest mood, okay, but they are going to do something now. Maybe they are deceiving the other person, those who block them. Something is over here. Maybe they are betraying that person who has blocked you or blocked them, and going to begin something new with you. But at this time they are in a rest mode. They are thinking about it over and over, that if this thing is if this situation is good or not, if I have to do this or not. That's what's in their mind for now. And with this situation, yes, and I think that they are maybe they are Aries person or some fire person, and Hierophant. Yes, mainly I think that it is Scorpio, Sagittarius, yes, and yes, these all, or maybe Cancer, Capricorn, someone, and these are the things. And now I'm going to put some more cards for you. With this Sagittarius paper, I think that for lots of you, that they are a Sagittarius person. And with 0, you have to do something with your spirituality. You have to find your answer in the spirituality. You have to be to pray for them, okay. And with 30, with maybe they are their date birth is 30, or they are coming towards you in a 30 days or 30th 30th date, on 30th day. West, they are from West. Their eyes color, for some of you, their eyes color are gray, or maybe your eyes color are gray. For some of you, they are pilot, and for some of you, they are coming through aeroplane, and maybe they are from somewhere, they are in some other country, and they are coming towards you. For some of you, your name or their name is starting with the letter G. Your first name or the last name, family name is with G, started with G. Coworker, you know that person definitely. Some of your person is coming from Japan, and some of you, your person's name is starting, or your name is starting from H, okay. Or this, from this H, it's heart. They are giving you their heart, and G, the great love, maybe. And this is what I have for you, my pile number 1. I hope this resonates you, or this you like that reading. If this reading resonates you, please tell me, and please like, share, subscribe with lots of love. Bye. I'm going to choose my reading number 1. Those who choose the pile number 2 or the blue color Mathavidya, your reading is, your person is not happy with something, about some decision, about something happened to them, something is given to them. They are not happy with that thing, and they want to cut that thing, that person from their life. Yes, they are going to cut that person from their life. They are not very happy with them. They are so isolated person, that towards that person. Okay, from this I think that they are Libra, Aquarius, or Gemini person. Okay, and they are very they are having, about this situation, they are having the sleepless night. They having very sleepless night. They are very stressful at this time. They are thinking about you or someone else. Yes, they are very sad at that moment, at this moment. They are coming towards you, definitely they are coming towards you, and they are ready for this situation. They are ready for it, and maybe they are cutting someone from your life or from their life to come towards you, or maybe they are coming very soon, very fast, and they are ready for this, ready for all the situations, all the circumstances, all the calls, all the fights. Okay, and at this moment they are not maybe they are Virgo, Capricorn, or Taurus person, and they have not much money, not much money. They are not as practical as at this time. Why this card is over? Because they are not going to take any action about this thing, or not be able to take any action about this thing, and they have no money also, I think, and they had no happy time in their life, because they have no money and they can't go forward. Okay, renewal, yes, the bird card is upside down, and they are stuck over here. They can't move forward because of something, some situation. They can't move forward. Strength, they need a lot of strength in them. Great inner strength, release harsh judgments, forgiveness and compassion. They have to forgive someone. They need more strength, more powerful mind, and they have to release harsh judgments. They have to release harsh thinkings, yes, about someone, or someone, about towards all of you. Queen of Air, and this person is very independent, experienced, realistic, witty. Queen of Swords, Queen of Swords. They are definitely Libra, Aquarius, or some kind of yes, Gemini person. Witty, they are very witty person. They are very, very witty. They are realistic, independent, experienced. Okay, objective decision making, clearing away all that no longer serves you, seeing the humor in a situation. Yeah, they are going to remove all those who are not serving them, all those who are not good for them. Okay, what's waiting for? And this is upside down. Divine timing is at work in your love life, and this is upside down. Why is this? Maybe your wish is going to come true, or their wish is going to come true, and they are going to win what they want to win. They are going to have what they want, and maybe they are coming towards some fire sign, maybe Leo person. They are coming towards some Leo person, and they are now in power. They are going to do something. They are beginning something, doing something over it. Okay, and once Angel de los Mortos. transition to the spirit realm, and this is upside down. They are not connected to their spirits. They have to connect it to their spirits, that not, but they are not at this time. They are not connected to that. Koala bear and with the three witches sisters, the power of three. This card is for, is if something happened once, that it's not going to happen second time, and if something going to happen second time, that not for third time. And if this is happening continuously, then this thing is going to stop, and someone is going to stop them till that thing is going to stop. Okay, and I am now going to clarify this part. They are not going to cut you off from their life. This situation is continuing till they have got you. They have got the lovely, loveful life, lovely home life, and their lover in their life. This is going to be happen at that time, or this is going to be happen, and that's why this card is upside down, that this is going to be end, because you are going to marry them, or they are going to have you. They are not connecting to their spirits because they are fighting to them. They are fighting over you. They are asking them to give you to them, give their soulmate to them. Yes, they are at this time they are angry with them. Yes, and with this koala bear. Okay, with this koala bear, stinky hugs. Okay, small, cute, round eyes, big ears. I think that their heart is so small. Their mind is so small. Okay, and they are cute. Maybe their height is also small, and big ears. They are very good listener. Okay, and which they are very sticky to some situations. At some situations they are very sticky. Round body, live high, fluffy ears, round head. They like to live in a higher position. Yes, wide nose, lovely faces, full of surprises. Take their babies of family with them. Okay, they are a family person. They love their family. They love their babies. Okay, and family man. Yes, family man. Good gripper. Once they made their decision, they are not going to leave it. If they are going to promise someone, they are going to fulfill it. Okay, if they are going to marry you, they are never going to leave you. If they choose someone, nobody take them away from you. Okay, little bit stubborn in love, mostly maybe eat toxic things, conserve their own energy, curved spines. Okay, waist, habitually quick, disappearing, forest lovers. Okay, some they have for some time they are there, and then they are quickly vanished. They say that I'm going to do this, and then once they are not like that person. Okay, and this is the reading for you, and I am going to pull some more cards for you. Okay, for some of you their name starts with P or F, or they have P or F in their name. They belong to Australia for some of you, and for some of you their birth date is 16, or they are going to meet you in 16 days or at the date of 16. Okay, they are living in London or Australia. They have round nose. You are already seeing in this reading that they have the round nose for some of you. Okay, that's what I have got from here from you. They are from air sign. They are air sign, and definitely strongly they are air sign or Leo person, or from earth sign. Uh, Earth sign. They are Capricorn, Virgo, and Taurus. And with air sign, they are Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. Yes. This is the reading for you for today. I hope you like it. If this resonates you, please tell me in comment section. Please like, share, subscribe this reading, and with lots of love, lots of good wishes. Bye.